Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya government announces shifting of Kheriatsin RD block to Wapung. Congress and Meghalaya Trinamool Congress did not attend the meeting called by the Meghalaya Chief Minister on border issues. Bank employees protest against privatization of public sector bank. And Khasi Students' Union to receive anonymous death threat letter. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya government today announced the shifting of Kheriatsin RD block to Wapung to facilitate the upgradation of Kheriat Community Health Centre to a hospital. This announcement was made by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in the presence of Meghalaya Sindh RD Minister Hamlet Dorling and MLA Kerman Shillong.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for this beautiful day that He has given to each and every one of us, and also for all the different development programs that are coming as blessing for the people of this region and also for the entire state of Meghalaya. 3.5 years back, when we had taken over the government in 2018, I remember telling some of my cabinet colleagues and also the MLAs who are in the government that yes, we may feel happy, we may also feel proud to be leading the government and running the government. But more than that, we should remember that we are coming with a sense of responsibility. This has to be seen as an opportunity that has been given to us to make a difference in people's lives.
That Wapung RD block will be restored back. With the blessing of the Almighty and under the able leadership of our beloved CM Sir Conrad Sangma and my dear colleague Sir Hamlet Dorling, this long cherished demand of the rightful residents of this area has come to fruition. On behalf of the people of this block, I would like to place on record my sincerest gratitude and appreciation to you both, Sir Conrad and Sir Hamlet, for taking this possible. Our prayer is that God will continue to guide you as you take on the mantle of leading the state to greater heights. With your permission, sir.
Congress and Meghalaya Trinamool Congress did not attend the meeting called by the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on border issues between Meghalaya and Assam. The meeting was called for further consultation after the regional committees had submitted their report to the Chief Minister.
I cannot comment on what is in their mind. Maybe there is a confusion in them, which is the real Congress, which is the real opposition. Maybe there is still a confusion, so they cannot think nicely, because the Congress also maybe they thought that those who went away are still a Congress, and those who went away also they are thinking that are still a Congress. So this confusion may be there. That's why they didn't attend this meeting. But having said that, whoever may be, when the government have invited, it is the duty and responsibility to attend and express the opinion. It does not matter whether the opinion it is right or wrong, or it is in consonance with the thought of the government. That is different issue altogether. But on this major issue, it is a letdown to the people of the state. We have high expectation that this boundary dispute in the state, for the first time, there is a ray of hope that it could be resolved, where a starting could be done, and we may able to settle the dispute, so that our fellow friend or fellow brother sister who are living in the border area could live peacefully and do their normal duty without any disturbance.
Meghalaya's bank did not function today and will continue tomorrow also as a mark of protest against the intention of the Government of India to privatize two of the public sector banks. The bank employees under the banner of United Forum of Bank Union to Meghalaya Unit today also held a protest demonstration in front of the SBI main branch in Shillong.
Savings. We demand. We demand safety and security of people's savings. We demand. We demand opening of more bank branches. We demand. We demand opening of more bank branches. We demand. We demand opening of more bank branches. We demand. We oppose privatization of public sector branches. We oppose. We oppose privatization of public sector branches. We oppose. We oppose retrograde banking reforms. We oppose. We oppose retrograde banking reforms. We oppose. We oppose writing of corporate NPAs. We oppose. We oppose writing of corporate NPAs. We oppose. We oppose denationalization of public sector banks. We oppose. We oppose denationalization of public sector banks. We oppose shifting of government business to private banks.
Nina liang jung ka Meghalaya State Unit jung ka United Forum Bank Unit UFBU ni penlong ni peteng lang ya keshan lang ya ka UFBU sha kaleng ka Rindia da ka penlong jing khang pre arsni ni don ka strike arsni mutasi khandriu bala sha ka nyutrik kani ka jing ya khang bang jungi kadi na ka daw ba ka sarkar ka mut pan wanra ekui ka bill ni ban kelai ka ni ka banking law amendment bill arajar kuai Bakamut man kelas ke bank Shimet ya artli ke bank sarkar pat kawai ke insurance company ka government hakani kala pan bana ba hakani ka winter session juga parliament kamut pan wanra ita kawai ka bill ban kala bank Shimet tengi liang chungki association na liang juga bank bat ni kiwi ro ki trade union ya snok tilang bat ni bat ni nimban si bang hapan ya khang arsni bat ni habel strike arsni ban ya persya ya kani ka jikmu juga sarkar ban wanra ya kani bill Sementara ni kapil kalau balai bangi apa syam ni. Kini ki bang syai ka hakini ki snem macam syai ka sok lain, lain. Ibun ki bang ki bang Shimet. Hadin kata apa dek ki lap kini ki bang Shimet. Kilong ki bang bamla ban yarap ki kudu sok iburi berat perya. Di hadin kata apa ki sewanra baki sepen kala no syiki ni ki bang sarkar ki sesang ban mi kini ki bang sarkar. Nadu bami kini bang sarkar pada iburi beduk besok iburi berat perya berkhot ki pajba ki sedang ban yo ya kata ka jingyarap na liang juga bank yo ban plea account yo ban simram ibarat nangta ka jing em jong ki brio ka sta ka suki pat ngilap ha ni ka sunroof nem suki ka ni ka sarkar ka ba manta pat ka le biang ban pen kalab yang ikini ki bank sarkar ka ba tri namta ki patba ka le ban pen kalab yang shi ki bank Shimet kaong ba kini ki bank sarkar kimla ban tri ba kimla ban yo nong kan bhai ki ladang ki pen kalash ki bank Shimet hendai gani ka dei ka ba thop
The Superintendent of Police of West Jantel District, D. Marak, today released the Christmas music video produced by West Jantel District Executive Force, Ribhoi District Executive Force, 3rd Battalion Meghalaya Police Sabasend and the 6th Battalion Meghalaya Police Umran. The release of the music video was marked with expression of appreciation to the police personnel who are ready to perform duties during festivals and to be away from their families.
On the occasion of launching this video, I would like to urge upon everybody to celebrate Christmas responsibly, considering COVID protocols so that everyone is safe and secure. We as a policeman, we celebrate Christmas along with the duty so that everyone out there is safe and secure during this festive season. Now I launch this music video.
Christmas is a time when we all want to be with our families and our loved ones. But for many police personnel, it is a time where we have to go an extra mile to ensure that people enjoy Christmas during this Christmas season. In spite of being away from our families, we leave no stone unturned to go beyond our call of duty to ensure a peaceful Christmas celebration. The police personnel celebrate Christmas with our larger Meghalaya Police family. Therefore, this song is dedicated to all the police personnel for their selfless act and dedication to duty away from their families at this time. We thank you for your service. We wish you a blessed Christmas and a happy New Year.
Christmas banwan baro shiying indon hajan hari usnem labas ngau saka Christmas la shem tayo kadai ayom bas ngau tenan pikwa yangi bandon rengkat
bandon rengkat bat pingi kwa bat pi dudu itei uba nan le kumno kakam kamsha namar kate ngamlong banja.
The Khasi Students' Union today said that it will not take the anonymous threatening letter to take away the lives of its leaders and some of the KSU members. The KSU leaders were surprised to find the threatening letter sent to them without signature informing the leaders of the student body that the sponsored agency of the state government police department wants to eliminate the KSU leaders and some of its members. Speaking to the media, the KSU president Lambok Stan Marngar said the KSU used to receive threatening letters for fighting for the welfare of the Nyauturep community and will not be deterred by such death threat letter.
Don nong tau banbu ya katarik kaporingi bagi sta ni selaju partai. Kapenta kabar bat kalong ba kajing poi gum ni city kalong ba kajing ai mesim pingi ku kisam la bang ya sakma. Yim tieng yim ri ngaju keren barbor ba kajing penting la kalong keyboard sungkaan la keyboard sung sarkar. Bat ngila sakhiru wada kajing shasim ya kajing em jukit kot kisna momon suaru. Kam ni kajing penkut yam ni sai penting jong kajing ile jong nam taban tawa ki hok jong jai bende. Kika ban susim tang kajing em ri kinam la ban sim ni taka spirit ni kam sem ide ke jong. Kebanta ka balai pat ngkwa ban keren hot ngim hak jinyat denti jing ki isu bopera per ngi tang khu hi pat ki bor ka ai na report support. Isu shakem ki khot ka bor support lai ngim judan ka tak tak kajing buksni kajing shun wat ki bor ka ai do ma ki pendap ni jong duty. Tenrei ladaban poi du put ban yakta personal ban don kata jing thu ban ma penyak ngatarai. Tit for tat ngalaban nong ba nginam la susnap tarai ka sepoi ka por hap shu ya penhiat pot markele. Nomor wai ban sha ba susah jam ba ya kedo kamet ancuan tar ancuan penjot de ku ba. Ti kata ka nong rem ka ba ngi yang mat habang ya keren bat ki palulam ni selok ki khot kalong ba. Hot ka de ki sti ba krem thok kerteng. Andrei nginam sim sting ni ka kam ni hapan budit. Namar klem kedon kading kana mi ketrem bat kan be kan air kana ki isla. Ti kum ka sengi yang ramba bat kita kicing penting ko tempan yo se kada sebentar pensier pensmi penrandin git khot na kisna terkam ba per mereka kubur ke ba na kisna terkam per jongka ki su keleng ni pun terap kolong yalong kawai im don kanu ke jingkan randit im don no ke jing smi bat haju kubur kada ni ke jing klut ke jing bitar dai ni cukren ye ki pranoilam bukit khot ke seng kalong hot ni la bandang lung ke karta handai ni yau pat ke jimbut perkhat bak kata kalong ngim jubam jaklut bat ngim jupat set ti halal kita kinogram ba ki isu ko per ni kren ngen yak chakmat kan dan dia bat halal ni sithi ruk ngesnang budien la ka dei tolong banai bat kalong kumno ko ni sithi nang bangin sotho wat ngen saperkhat gilat anti bakum keseng ngesiyat ang chakmat
Ken.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.